Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking about lemons. I love lemons so much, I use them on a daily basis. My partner and I even have a lemon poster in our kitchen. That's how much we love lemons. And our dog Sunny doesn't mind them either. So today I want to share with you a couple of recipes using lemons that I use on a daily basis. So the first one is actually lemon water. So basically I have a warm lemon water in the morning, which is half a cup of filtered water and then half a cup of boiling water, which makes it warm water, and then the juice of half a lemon. It's so easy to make this drink and it's really good for you. It's great for digestion. It has a lot of vitamin C in it. As you can see, all the health benefits here. I really enjoy this drink because it is just so refreshing in the morning. Cheers. So the next one is lemon vinegar. So basically this is a DIY cleaning or deodorizing recipe. So basically I take a bottle and I fill it with vinegar and lemon. It looks amazing too, so on display it looks really cool. There's Sunny the dog again. She seems to like to smell that lemon there. So I'm going to show you the recipe for this. So you'll need one lemon and I cut it into bits. You can use the offcuts of a lemon you've already used, and you could cut them up a bit better than this. This is not the nicest looking thing, so you could definitely be a bit more aesthetic with it. Basically, you need a jar or a bottle and a spray bottle. Again, you know, you can use anything you have at home, or you can get something like this brown amber spray bottle that looks cool. Depends on what you like, got at home. I like to use what I already have. So I basically just fill this glass bottle with the lemon. Now you can use a fresh lemon, or this is literally parts of the lemon I used over a couple of days for my lemon water. Just simply having the lemon rind with a bit of juice in the lemon is enough to create this recipe, so that's pretty amazing. If you want to cut the lemon up into slices, which might look a bit better than this, but I don't really care personally. I just chucked in how it was and how I cut it up roughly, so that's fine with me. It just depends on what you like personally. And basically some vinegar, literally household white vinegar, and then you pop the lid on. Don't spill it like I did, but basically this lasts for ages. And what you do is you just have this bottle sitting here. As time goes on, you'll see the color will change and the vinegar will become more potent, and that's when I start using it as a cleaning product, things like that, and it gives a very beautiful lemony scent, fresh scent to the vinegar. And the vinegar is obviously antibacterial, and the lemon is also helping with the cleaning properties and giving it a really nice scent. So when I am running low, I literally just fill up the vinegar again and again and keep reusing the same bottle with the same lemons. I sometimes also chuck in a couple more lemons as time goes on. But yeah, I use it as a spray. So I use this in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and it is a great non-toxic cleaning product. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These are just a couple of recipes I use around the home with lemons. So lemons are affordable, they have great health benefits, and they're really good for cleaning around the home. So if you did like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I've just started making videos again after a 2-year hiatus, so I'd love for you to subscribe and check out all my new videos. Also hit that bell notification button so you get notifications on all my latest videos. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a really great day, and I'll speak to you again really soon. Bye!